Alright, so we're showing how to use the extension traction. If you have one of these, the reason why you have it is because there's a problem in your neck where there's long-standing subluxation, where we don't have the proper forward curve in the neck, which should be a forward 43-degree curve. So when we use the traction, it does a few things. The most important thing it does, it helps to restore that arc of life. It helps to rehydrate the discs, stretch the muscles, and helps get motion back into the spine. So I'm going to demonstrate it first, and then go over some of the points. The first thing that you need is this needs to be set up at the appropriate height. So like in my case, I've got it so that I can just step right into it like this. Okay? One of the problems that can develop is if this is too high or if it's too low. If you have to get on your tippy toes to get in this, or if you're kind of, reaching up with your chin to get into it, that can really cause a problem, so you can't do that. It's got to be at the proper height. The next thing is you see this top bar here. You're not pushing up or pulling down on this at all. It's only used as a guide. All of the movement's going to come from your lower body. So I'm going to do 5 or 6, then we'll talk about it. Alright, that was 3. So the things you would have noticed there is that all of the movement comes from my lower body, and that this just naturally comes up under the chin, helping to stretch the neck, and that this piece comes forward to rehydrate those discs as all of the weight comes from my lower body. I'm not hanging on this, I'm not pushing on it, it's just used as a guide, okay? I'll show you once again. I'm going to come all the way down, and I'm actually coming forward in my lower back, bending at the knees and pushing my bum out. And up just till I get to here. I do not go up and down, okay? All of the movement is just forward to back. So I'm going to stop here. I stop right here. I do not do this, because that's actually not achieving anything. You're going to start with this 10 to 20 in the morning, 10 to 20 at the end of the day, working up towards 50 or 60 in the morning, afternoon, and night. Ultimately, this is something that I do at the beginning of every day. It's really recommended for maintenance and wellness care of the spine, even if there's not a problem. But if there is a problem, we have to get doing it to start to rehabilitate the neck.